So let's take a look at the boot for storage. Now, one thing Land Rover have opted to continue with is putting the spare wheel on the back, which is fine. However, it's then a huge weight on the back and it doesn't allow the boot to open traditionally. So they've had to go for a side opening, which means that you need a lot more space in a car park when you're trying to get things in the back. Now, this car has a fabric boot cover, and what that means is when the third row seats are up and you need to take this off, you can fold this away and hide it. Now, this car has a flat boot floor, useful for lobbing things in. However, it is quite high, but they've got a useful feature here with this air suspension where you can lower it to a much more accessible height. And in the boot, we've got cargo nets on either side. We've got a 12-volt cigar socket here. We've got USB-C charging points and cup holders for the third row seats. And if you look at the door, we've also got some storage on the back of this boot door. Now, the website will tell you the boot capacity in litres or cubic meters, but what does that actually mean? So what we'll do is put in 2 large size suitcases, see if they fit, and then we'll take it a step further and see if we can fit 2 full sets of family size suitcases for a family holiday. So we can get 2 large size suitcases in side by side. However, there is a lot of room here, and actually you can fit these on the side instead, so you can actually get 3 cases in side by side without having to remove the shelf. But let's take these out, take the cover off, and see if we can fit both sets of 3 inside. So I've took out the cover. Let's put in the 2 large, 2 medium, 2 small, see if they all fit, and if so, how much room do we have left at the end. So as you can see, plenty of room. I haven't tried to stack these too cleverly, they've just gone straight in, but you can see there's still a lot of room on top, so you can put these flat, stack them more practically, and you still have a lot of room for other bags, small prams, rucksacks. So it's a really useful storage space, and so far it's the largest of any of the cars I've reviewed. Now, this boot door is quite heavy. However, one small benefit is that it's got soft close, so you don't need to slam it all the way closed.